Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and I want to give a huge shout out to Tuft and Needle mattresses. I can't wait to tell you all about them and tell you why. They are one of my favorites in the world. You guys, I am such a hot sleeper, and Tuft and Needle really designs mattresses specifically to be really cooling. You guys, this is better than a memory foam mattress in my opinion, better than those latex mattresses. They really have upped their technology. Their foam is the latest technology. It is actually going to have little tiny beads of graphite and gel foam in there that like draw the heat away from you. They keep the heat down to where you sleep nice and cool and comfortable. It also has a really, the covering is gonna be totally breathable and soft. So the entire mattress is just really great for people who get hot when they sleep. That's definitely me. This is cooling, it's comfortable, you're gonna get a great night's sleep. Their foam is just fantastic. If you haven't tried it, you absolutely have to. There is a reason why over 1 million people choose Tuft and Needle every single night, and they love their foam mattresses. Speaking of a foam mattress, you guys, yes, this is one of those mattresses that comes in the big giant box. This will be delivered to your door. Please allow 72 hours to let it fully decompress and come to its full size. There might also be like, some odors from shipping. Don't freak out about that. It's totally normal. It will subside within 72 hours and you will be good to go and ready to sleep on your new mattress. Also, you guys, Tuft and Needle, is double certified in several different organizations for being totally organic, totally safe. They fit the highest safety standards. So it's just another thing that you can just trust to be close to your skin, close to you, that you can sleep on every night, knowing that there's no harsh chemicals, no weird stuff in it, nothing that is going to be harmful to you. This is totally safe and you are going to sleep amazing. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You'll be very glad you did.